What's up? Welcome back. Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about how to make a talking animated avatar with AI tools. I'm going to show you how to get started and what I do on a daily basis. Now, if you're brand new and you've never made $1 online, or you don't know anything about AI or AI tools, don't worry. I'm going to be showing you how to get started step by step. And if you want all this stuff, by the way, all you have to do is drop a comment, leave a like, and subscribe, and I will send you access. Now, let's talk about the first thing you need to get started in order to learn about this AI marketing method. And that is going to be to get access to the digital playbook right here. This allows you to use my step-by-step checklist, which you see right here. You'll get access to short form video prompts that I'm using in my business for YouTube Shorts, for Instagram Reels, TikTok. You'll get a list of 130 plus AI tools. You're going to get a list of about 700 short form videos, different make.com blueprints, and you'll also get just a library of extra really cool stuff that I use for my agency as far as like DM scripts, marketing audits, different things like that. All of this stuff is going to be completely free. You just got to go to digitalplaybook.com, put in your first name and email. We don't even ask for your phone number, and you will get taken to our free community where the digital playbook is hosted. Now, if you want all this stuff, all you got to do, by the way, is just drop a comment, leave a like, and subscribe, and I will send you access to all of this in a response. But let's go ahead and dive in. To start making a talking animated avatar with the AI tools, you're going to need one of the tools that I talk about right down here in my short form content area, and that is going to be a tool called Blotato. This is a new tool that I've been using. It says it right here, best create viral posts and faceless videos. It's an all-in-one solution to create, remix, distribute 50 plus pieces of content per week to build your faceless brand and your channels. So as you can see right here, look at the detailed styles. You're able to create pretty much anything you want to. And I'm about to show you right here that it is a 7-day free trial. And let me just show you the different pricing on it. So $29, $97. Now I am on the $29 a month, and I obviously create a bunch of content, as you can see from this channel, and I have had enough credits. So after the 7-day free trial, if this is something that you can really see yourself using because you like the content that it creates, then this is a no-brainer as far as a little investment. So let me just take you into what it looks like once you're logged in. This is going to be more so for if you're wanting to create written context for like blogs, Twitter, LinkedIn. These are really good areas too, but I'm going to be talking about the videos portion right here. If you can see right here, this is everything you need as far as you can generate the script, you can pick the theme, you can choose the voice, and you can also choose the captions as well. Previously, I would talk about you having to go create images in ChatGPT, then you'd have to take it over to Gen 3, make it image to motion, and this is just so much streamlined. It saved me a bunch of time. Like, you don't even need to go into ChatGPT. You can just go right here. A man talking about a book. The different style. Let's just go with educational because it's about a book. You can make it up to 2 minutes. I'm going to do 30 seconds, generate the script. And we have it right here. Have you ever read a book that changed everything? I recently stumbled upon this one that did just that. It's all about embracing. Then you would choose the theme, pick the voice, enable voiceover, yes, disable the watermark, and then enable the captions. And then we just generate the video. As you can see right here, the different shots are going to be the different images, and it is generating a script that should take no longer than 10 to 15 seconds. But I'm going to cut back to when it is done generating. And it is done generating. As you can see, it's generated the text to image prompt. Voila. Now I'm not going to go ahead and use all my credits up on this. If you want to see me go through step by step, I'm going to place a video right up here that you can click on, but I don't want to use up any of my credits. But once you do, you will have a done for you video that you can see in the other YouTube video. But the whole point of all this, which is why you're looking at this question, is you want to know how to make money. You want to know how to make money with these AI talking heads. And that is going to be from affiliate marketing or promoting other tools with different affiliate links. Now, if you have the digital playbook, all these tools right here, you're able to get paid to promote. And that is coming from signing up for a different affiliate link and then creating short form content. Now in here, I give you access to a bunch of done for you short form videos that you can put together in CapCut and use one of my templates. Like, where is it? Like, these are the top 3 websites. Here are 3 websites that you're probably not supposed to know about. These are top of funnel things that get people interested and get them into your funnel. The whole thing about social media is we're just trying to collect data, and that comes from a nice little saying that if you've been on my channel, I talk about this a lot, from which my mentor told me, is ACEs. That stands for attention, conversation, educate, and sales. So no matter what business you're in, or especially in the online digital marketing, you need attention. Whether to sell e-commerce, to sell clothing, attention is the new currency, and that is how you're going to be able to get people or eyeballs to see your stuff. So once you have that, that should be the whole goal of posting on social media, is just to collect data. And then that's where we can start having a conversation, whether that be through SMS, or I teach email marketing, because that's taking all the noise from all the social media content and it's bringing it more one-to-one, where you're in their email inbox. And that is where you can start educating them on the tool or service that you have, and eventually they will end up purchasing or clicking, signing up, whatever. That's where the sell happens. Now I say eventually because of the rule of 7 in marketing, that it normally takes people 7 times seeing your offer or whatever you have to get interested, or to opt in, or to purchase. So that's why I say that. But if you take what I mentioned right here, create the different AI animated talking heads, and start generating traffic to your different social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook page, and your Facebook page, you will be able to start seeing results, clicks, money coming in. So to get access to all this, go ahead and just join this group right here. This is the digital playbook. There's over 1,000 people in here, and this is where you'll be able to have access to me. DM me if you have any questions. But that is going to be it for this one, AI Pros. I'll see you in the next one.